TronMakers.com. So here we are, a quick video on level 3. Our team's not up to level 3, it's best to move as a team. But level 3 will be 20,000 TRX to enter. Incentive with partners 2,400 TX. So level 1 we had 5 lines, level 2 we had 6 lines, level 3 opens up a 7th line. And so this is all the partners that will be under that line, and that's under each person. And then the incentive will be 2,400. So from the 20,000 that we'll be paying, there will be 2,400 going to each of these upstream line partners. By paying the 20,000 TRX, you are qualified to receive earnings from all 7 downlines. So you can see that when you sign up, there will be a partners tab, and you'll be able to see your downlines from there. And there's also an uplines tab, so you can see your partners on the upline tab. So here's the total TRX profit, 609, 600, and the total Tron you'll receive is 609, 600 TRX in level 3. That takes some time, obviously, as the partners fill up. Remember, we're in pre-launch, so it doesn't launch until the 1st September, but we're moving up as a team. We'll give you a update when we move up to level 3. So feel free to hit the link below, join up now to TronMakers pre-launch, and benefit from the future. So feel free to subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.